So Donovan and I bought a boat, and we've basically videotaped pretty much from the go when we purchased the boat till now, and so I've kept a diary of everything. Also because as new as we are, there's so many questions and not enough information. So we're gonna go ahead and make our own videos. Hopefully we'll help somebody. So here we go.
Basically caught us right in the middle of our midlife crisis. We made the decision to start practicing for a retirement now so as to be prepared when the time finally arrived. We're actually hoping we might somehow swing an earlier retirement than originally planned. So what does practicing for retirement mean for us? Well, for us, it means buying a sailboat. We live in Bluffton, South Carolina in the United States. We're just west of Hilton Head, South Carolina, and about 90 minutes south of Charleston, South Carolina. Our house is located next to a lagoon, and on any given morning, we will wake up to a variety of wildlife, including deer, turkeys, raccoons, every type of bird imaginable, and of course, my favorite sight, the alligator. Just take a quick listen to this scene straight out of Jurassic Park. My buddy's here keeping me company while I cook, which I thought was very polite. Hello, what you doing? This video series will basically chronicle from start to finish the process of buying our boat, fixing it up, getting it in the water, and learning to sail it. I am new at creating videos, so I'm fairly certain I'm not going to be winning any Emmys. Being new to sailing, boat ownership, sailing terminology, and creating videos, I'm sure you're going to hear and see very, very many mistakes. But we've got to start somewhere, right? So here we go. If you enjoy this mess, please subscribe.
Please hang up and try again.
Both Donovan and I work as catastrophe adjusters, and our job entails traveling across the country chasing Mother Nature when she's yet again gone off her meds. You're seeing photos of damage we have seen all across the country. We're not the type of people who enjoy sitting around. We have not worked in an office environment in so long we wouldn't know how to handle a 40-hour desk job. We're used to working 72 plus hours a week, moving from one catastrophe to another. We can't imagine retiring and not getting to travel, so we just decided to change it up a bit, relax, and instead travel by water. This is our home in preparation for Hurricane Florence. Thankfully, we avoided her and had no damage. I guess it comes with the territory, living on the East Coast, 15 minutes away from the beach. Traveling across the country has given us incredible opportunities to see every corner. Our company vans have crossed every state between New York and San Francisco more times than I can count. We are now ready to explore the world by water, so hopefully our new hobby will work out and we will be pros by the time we retire and we're ready to upgrade to a larger sailboat. We have always enjoyed sailing, but we really caught the bug from our friend David when he took us out on his 1986 Irwin Citation 31. He has been an avid sailor his entire life, so we first began our research directly with him. He told us right off the bat, as new sailors, we could not go wrong with a Catalina 22. He said that's a great boat for many reasons, some of which being the ease in sailing it, a good length for beginners, extremely popular, and mass-produced. The latter being very important because it gave us the advantage of being able to get an older boat and not the greatest shape for less cost, which we could then fix ourselves. This would also give us an opportunity to learn a lot of terminology as well as sailing practices. You gotta warn me when you're gonna do that. You're about to lay this thing down. We began our research online. We started off with online yacht sale website, Craigslist, eBay, and Facebook Marketplace. We extended the mileage we were willing to look for a boat, but because of the quantity of Catalina 22s produced, we struck gold right down the street from our house. I do think that us living 15 minutes away from the ocean in an area consisting of mostly water really helped. There's water everywhere, which means there are boats everywhere, and we found the exact boat we wanted just 10 minutes from our house.